What's up everyone, MotoCrow here. I am back to you with another video right now, and I've got some parts in today, and we get to play with this thing, my Honda Monkey. So today I'm going to work on handlebars today. I do have a couple things. I have the MNNTHBX Fender delete, and I think that's all I got so far. Right now I want to work on this new handlebar system I got going on that I have today. So let's get started. All right, so I did have a little bit of difficulty getting the, I almost said passenger side, it's not the passenger side, but the grips off, but I just took a little screwdriver and rotated it around, threw some water in there, and popped it right out. But these is what I wanted to show you, what I'm installing, so I can do this cafe racer build. Shout out to Dang. I just had a brain fart, but this is ComposiMo. Shout out to him for these bars. I think he's the only one who runs the company. Really good at communication. If you need bars for your Honda Monkey or any other any parts, please check him out. I will leave a link in the description. So let's get back to the install. All right, I did run into a little bit of an issue. It's not that big of an issue. Probably need to install these first onto here and then mount it on top. I could reach underneath here, but I don't really want to damage wires or anything, so I'm just going to take this off and then put this on and then put it back on top. Alright everyone, it's getting late where I'm at, and I forgot I had some plans I got going on that I forgot. I will continue this video in the morning. So far, these are looking really good so far. Haven't had any issues. I do enjoy the quality of these. I haven't even sat on it yet. Maybe I'll do that real quick, but nothing's tightened up at the moment. Ooh, these sit very far forward. Yeah, this sits very far forward, but you know, oh, I see what the problem would be. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to get some. I didn't mean to get that far. I'm not gonna be able to turn all the way like I want, but it's still gonna be sick. And I have plenty of room. Ouch. Oh, don't do that. Yeah, let me not mess with that real quick. Yeah, sorry for being dark. I will get back to you in the morning. Good morning, viewers. So, I didn't record any things I did this morning due to I was just trying to get it done, but I installed the handlebars, I installed the MNNTHBX Fender delete kit with the tail light. So far it looks pretty good, and let me show y'all. So I will say, when I was doing the tail light, I did run into an issue. It's not an issue. MNNTHBX just kind of failed to give me the proper hardware. Not that I'm irritated or anything about it, just something that can be a little frustrating because I had to go to the store and get the one bolt that I was missing. They send me 3 M8s, M5s. It was supposed to be 4 M6s, so, but I got it together. The only thing I don't like about this setup, so I might get a different seat later on, but you got a little nice little gap right here. The seat's okay for what it is. I got it used, this Katako seat. The reason why I got it used, I want to save some money because I've heard bad and good reviews about it. I heard it's good when you're tracking around, keeps you from not going anywhere, but if you are, you know, daily commuting, which I'm gonna try everything out today. I did delete the mirrors for right now because they are pretty hideous. And then MNNTHBX blinkers. I think that's all I've gotten so far. I am currently having an issue with my Chimera plug screws. I guess because of how the seat sits. But other than that, looks pretty good. I'll turn it on for you. You know, light works. Everything works. Blinkers. Yeah, good stuff. Good stuff. Cafe Racer really starting to come together. Alright guys, sorry for the short video, but peace. See you on the next one.